Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for stopping by to check out this video. I am an independent business capital agent with David Allen Capital, okay? And we represent funding companies who love to help small businesses get access to funding. We offer funding options from a few $100s up to $2 million. Okay. Now, if you look here for me, it says DAC helps business dreams become reality. DAC is David Allen Capital. Okay. Now, we've already helped thousands of businesses already. It is our goal to serve business owners of all sizes. We actually have 20 plus top lenders that we use. And of course, each funding provider has their own funding programs and requirements. So I just wanted to introduce myself through this video and also leave you a link to my information page where I present business funding. Okay, now from that page, you can also access my website and our online application. We have easy, fast, online, secure funding. Now, in case you ever have an opportunity you want to pursue, or if you are ever in a tight pinch, we can probably help you. Okay, now we know that big banks are great, but they can't help. When they can't help, we usually can. Okay, our process is very simple and fast, and based on your revenue more than your credit score. So grab the link in the description area of this video, okay? Visit my information page, and from there again, you can access my website and our online application. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful, amazing day today. Bye-bye now.